Welcome to Linguista. This video will show you how to register to the application and become a linguist. First, make sure Linguista is downloaded on your device. If not, check the videos in the description. So, what is needed to be done is to open the application on your device. This screen will pop up the first time you enter. We need to sign up at first, so you need to press the sign up button. Once you press this, you need to fill the three fields: email, password, and full name. Make sure your email is valid, so if you ever lose your password, you can retrieve it through the forget the password feature. Press sign up. Congratulations, it's that simple. The next few steps are just for extra customization. You could choose a photo, but for now, I'll skip this. Here is Linguista. For now you don't have conversations, but you could press the plus button and you could add a new conversation. Feel free to start a new conversation with any one of the members. You could go to the Customize Profile button and easily edit your profile. For the next step, we'll log out from this user and we will log in again. The login process is a little bit similar. You need to open your application. Let's say you are a returning user. Instead of sign up, you'll press an already have an account button. Enter your email and password. Make sure you save these. If you ever lose your password, you can press on forgot password. You'll get an email and retrieve the account. Press login and welcome back to Linguista.